This is how I grew 125 pounds of potatoes for less than $4. First tip in growing way over 100 pounds of potatoes for less than $4 is every single potato that you see here came from a potato that I saved last year. I didn't buy any seed potatoes because I took potatoes that I grew last year, set aside my own seed potatoes so I didn't have to buy any. I will be holding potatoes back from this harvest to be able to plant next year to repeat the cycle. Tip number 2 is that I got free leaf mulch, leaf compost from my neighboring city, and potatoes love to grow in leaf mulch. Of course, I planted it and harvested it myself, so the labor was free. The only thing I paid for was gas in the truck to go get the leaf mulch. It was 7 miles there, 7 miles back. My truck gets 16 miles to the gallon in the city, so for less than a gallon of gas, I got 125 pounds of potatoes. Oh yeah, and water? I didn't water these things one time. Not once. In my area, I get a good amount of rain, so I let Mother Nature take care of it.